Almost every cough medicine contains dextromethorphan or DXM. DXM is active ingredient which has been used as in cough medicines for years, but most people don't know how dangerous it actually is. In fact, it is so dangerous that it can become fatal for children and young adults. It is one of the main reasons for emergency room visits and drug-related death in young adults. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, children and infants under the age of 2 should never be given cough and cold medicines, because serious and potentially life-threatening side effects can occur. So, the next time, instead of considering to use dangerous and potentially fatal over-the-counter cough medicines, try this homemade cough and lung inflammation recipe. This is a very powerful remedy that is faster acting than any cough syrup on the market. Ingredients: 1 bag of green tea, ½ teaspoon of freshly grated ginger root, ½ teaspoon turmeric, 1/3 teaspoon of thyme, 2 teaspoons of raw honey, juice of half a lemon. Directions: place the tea bag and herbs into a large cup with boiling water. Let them steep for several minutes. Strain and add raw honey and lemon.